In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature in Outlook. We'll walk through creating a professional email signature in the Outlook web app, formatting it so it looks polished, and setting it to appear automatically where you want it. By the end, your emails will carry a consistent, branded sign-off without any extra effort. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. Sign in if you're prompted, and once your inbox loads, we'll move right into composing a new message so we can reach the signature settings from there. Click New Email to open a fresh message. In the Compose window, look for the document with a pencil icon. This opens options related to the message editor. Click that icon, then choose Signatures. This takes you straight to the signature settings page where you can create and manage all of your email signatures. Click Add Signature to start a new one. First, give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later. This is especially helpful if you'll keep more than one signature for different purposes. Next, enter the content of your signature in the editor. For example, you might write something like AI Mastery, Business and Productivity, AI Systems, and Learn Smarter, Work Faster. Keep it concise, include your role or tagline, and avoid overly long disclaimers unless required by your organization. You can edit your signature right here in the same editor. Adjust spacing, add line breaks, and make sure everything is readable. If you want to change the appearance, you can modify the font to match your style or brand guidelines. You can also change the color for emphasis, like using a subtle accent for your name or tagline. Just keep accessibility in mind. Choose fonts that are easy to read and colors with good contrast. Below the editor, you'll see options to set this signature as the default. You can enable it for new messages if you want the full signature applied every time you compose a new email. Alternatively, you can set it as the default for replies and forwards, which is useful if you prefer a shorter sign-off in ongoing conversations. Pick the option that matches how you communicate most often. When you're happy with the content and settings, click Save. That's it. Outlook will now automatically insert your signature based on the defaults you selected, keeping your emails consistent and professional with zero extra clicks.